Turn on the Wi-Fi on the dash cam, screenless dashcam. Wi-Fi enabled by default. Open the Redtiger Cam app. Click on plus add camera and find the corresponding model series. Follow the app instructions and open WLAN settings. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi and enter the password 12345678. Return to Redtiger Cam app. Tap the dashcam to see real-time video. Tap dashcam file to view the video and download it. Return to the main interface. Tap the local album to view the downloaded videos. Tap settings to custom your dashcam. If you encounter any problems while using the app, disconnect the dashcam Wi-Fi. Tap profile help to see the QA. If your problem is not resolved, please submit the problem log. Tap profile feedback, select the category. Describe the problem encountered. Fill in your email and submit.